right, I'm scared of scientists. And I have important news. I made a list for my birthday. And guess what? I'm gonna be a big sister. I'm excited. Will I be a baby brother or a baby sister? Let's do a fun science experiment to find out. Let's do it. I got my goggles to protect my eyes. And I have my apron to protect my clothes. And I have my mama here to help me pour baking soda. And this is the beaker and the graduated soda and the magnifying glass with food coloring and measuring cup and some stinky vinegar.
All right, let's do this experiment.
First, I'm gonna put the baking soda into the beak. Here it comes. Whoa. Baking soda. Check.
Right.
Food coloring right in the middle of the baking soda. Here it comes. Ew. It's stinky.
Stinky.
I'm gonna pour the vinegar to the
Baking.
beaker.
The beaker, good job.
Here it comes.
Watch out. Whoa, I'm gonna have a baby.
Yo, you will not believe it. It actually worked. What no other engineer's been able to do, I've done. Do you know what this means? I'm about to retire. We're rich, yes. And whoa, wait a minute. Is that what I think it is? We're having a boy? We're having a boy. We're having a boy.
Wait,
We're having a boy. We're having a boy.
Dear, take off your futuristic glasses. You still have them on.
My what?
Your futuristic glasses, take them off. You still have them on.
I'm gonna have a baby sister.
2 girls?
Well, I guess there's only one thing left to do.
Go ahead, Daddy.
Dear, take off your...
I was waiting for y'all to say it.
So I'm like, I have no script or anything.
I was waiting for you, Sky. Hey, Skylar, when I say we're having a boy, you say, wait, what? Okay.
Say it loudly.
All right, here we go. We're having a boy?
We're gonna be a scientist.
Wait, can you say that? Let's do a science experiment to find out. Go back. Wait, stand here and say it. Okay, say, let's do a science experiment to find out. And then I'm gonna put all the magic stuff right here. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Say it.
Did you saw that, Daddy? I'm gonna have a baby brother. Whoops.
I like that.
Whoops.
Ready?
Something's in my toe.
It's the cord. All right,
That's
ready?
a
Now say it.
This is the best balloon I ever seen. Whoa!
Can you see it?
Yeah. Say what? Say what? Say what? You want me to work nights and weekends, on the holidays, on call? Well, guess what? I'm rich now. I don't gotta do that. I'm out. Peace.